guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I've actually tried a YouTube recipe from one of my favorites, Joy of Baking, of joyofbaking.com. She has a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna post the link somewhere down in my description, so please do check that one out. I've actually tried some of her previous recipes. One of them is a pancake, which I've posted in my channel as well, although I just changed it a little bit because I added some cheese, but just the same, it went out very well and very fluffy. One of the good things I like about Joy of Baking is that she uses very simple techniques, which I find it really easier. One of the things that I actually hate about baking is this, the aftermath. There are a lot of things that I have to wash. Joy of Baking does use very minimal utensils, so she doesn't really use a lot of machines. So that's one thing I like about her, and her recipes are really simple. She makes it as simple as possible for a normal person like me to follow her instructions. So I hope you do try this carrot cupcake recipe from her channel. I'm gonna be sharing with you what I did on my own and how it came out, so I'm just waiting for them to cook out, still in the oven, but I'm gonna share you how I did it, so please stay tuned. it's really important that you make this cold before you eat them. I'm eating it a little bit warm. I think that's it. So I really like the taste. It's so good. Yummy. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe somewhere here down below. If you have questions, comments, or whatnot, leave me in the comment section down below. If you have tried it, and please let me know how it went with you. If you're allergic to nuts, you can actually remove that altogether. You can substitute with raisins, so that's not gonna be a problem. All right, so let me know what you guys think. If you do have kids, toddlers like me, I'm pretty sure they're gonna like this recipe, so why don't you go ahead and try it out. Okay, I'm gonna list the ingredients down at the description box as well, so don't forget to check that one out. All right, if you want me to do more recipe videos or something like that, leave me in the comment section down below. And yeah, you have a good day. Bye.